What if I told you that you don't need to dance, show your face, or even reveal your identity in order to build a profitable online business? Let me show you exactly how faceless digital marketing is changing the game. In the past, making money online meant you had to become the brand. You had to be the influencer, show your lifestyle, and basically sell yourself. But today, with AI, automation, and platforms like Canva, Etsy, Gumroad, Seller, and YouTube, the model has completely flipped. Now we have faceless brands that sell value, not personality, brands that generate passive income without spotlight being on you. Now, here's why this is so powerful. Think about it. If you're the face of the brand, then the business depends on you showing up every single day. You stop, the money stops. But with faceless digital marketing, you're building digital assets that work even when you don't. It works even while you sleep. Imagine you create one digital guide today. That guide can sell tomorrow, next month, even next year, without you having to remake it over and over again. That's scalability. That's freedom. And the beauty of it is these faceless brands can be handed over, sold, or even automated. You're not just building attention, you're building assets. Now let me paint this simple picture for you. Let's say you design Canva templates, resumes, Instagram posts, or planners. One good template can sell hundreds of times. I know creators who pull in 500 to 2,000 a month just from this alone. Or let's say you know how to cook budget meals or manage your time better. Package that knowledge into a short, well-designed ebook, and you can sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon. That's another 300 to 1,000 a month, even 3,000 a month, depending on how well you promote these products. Now let's talk about my favorite. That's YouTube automation. You don't need to be on camera. You can use AI voiceovers, stock footages, and still build a channel that earns ad revenue, affiliate income, even sponsorships. Those can grow into 5,000 to 10,000 per month. And it's possible. It's scalable. It's been 4 months since I started my faceless account on YouTube, and all I do is teach people how to use AI. And the best part is I don't show my face. I don't even use my voice. But so far I've been getting collaborations, paid collaborations. That's how easy this is. So you can see this isn't just theory. It's a model that works because now the internet rewards value, not faces. We have just a few months left in 2025, and while most people are waiting for the perfect time, others are already building faceless brands that will pay them for years. The question is, are you going to keep watching, or you are going to start building your own faceless brand?